In this video, we're going to explore the conversion folder in EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. The conversion folder contains a collection of function blocks that allow us to convert one data type into another. These blocks are extremely useful because different function blocks, variables, sensors, and HMI objects often require different data types. For example, a temperature sensor may return an integer value, while a mathematical function expects a real number. In this case, we need a conversion block to make the data compatible. All conversion blocks work in a very similar way. They have one input, one output, and automatically convert the input value into the selected data type. Let's go through the most commonly used conversion blocks. The first block is TO bool. This block converts any supported data type into a Boolean value. The output will be false if the input value is 0, true if the input is any non-zero value. For example, if we connect an integer value of 0, the output becomes false. If the integer changes to 25, the output immediately becomes true. This is useful whenever numerical values need to control logical operations. Next is TO_INT. This converts values into the INT data type. Suppose a sensor provides a real value of 23.8. Passing it through TO_INT converts it into 23. Notice that the decimal portion is removed. This block is commonly used when an instruction only accepts integer values. Several blocks perform similar conversions for different integer sizes. These include TOUINT to SINT to USINT to DINT to UDINT to LINT to ULINT. The only difference between them is the destination data type. Choose the one that matches the variable declaration in your project. Now let's look at TOREAL and TOLREAL. These convert values into floating point numbers. Real is used whenever decimal values are required. For example, an integer value of 25 becomes 25.0 after conversion. This is especially useful before performing mathematical calculations such as division, averaging, scaling, or PID control. LREL works the same way, but provides higher precision. One of the most useful conversion blocks is TOSTRING. It converts numerical values, Boolean values, dates, or times into text. For example, an integer value of 150 becomes the string 150. Once converted into a string, it can easily be displayed on an HMI or sent through communication protocols.